Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning. Thank you for coming to this presentation. An honor to meet you here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bella Christy. Alga Pramesti, Angga Sitepu, Ari Yeriko Navarro, Prasetyo Dewi Hartanto, Rivaldi Arisman. In this presentation, we will discuss about COVID-19. The next material will be ready by Alga Pramesti.
Thank you to the event for giving me time. We are both here as moderator. I will guide the course of the session. This time title COVID-19.
Before starting to allow me to delve the rules and this seminar. Our person gave the time item to get the material. We gave participants the opportunity to tell the speaker of records person 1.
The first material will be delivered by the professor person Angga Sitepu. The second material will be delivered by the resort person Ari Yeriko Navarro, and the third material will be delivered by the resort person Rivaldi Arisman.
There, Angga Sitepu, please.
Background. The spread of the coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19 in Indonesia is now increasingly widespread. The number of days exposed to COVID-19 is increasing by day. Community activities that are currently starting to increase pose a new risk of transmission, especially in office and other workplace. The workplace is not only limited to office and industry. The Ministry of Health also issued decree of the Minister of Number 382, which contain information about how that must be carried out by workplace group, such as market, hotel, restaurant, place of worship, model of transportation, salon or hair and beauty service, and tourist attraction, including even or activities service in order to maintain community productivity while remaining safe from COVID-19. The government, through the Ministry of Health, has issued a ministerial decree for number 01 and 07 or Menkes or 328 or 2020, concerning guidelines for preventing and business continuity in a pandemic situation. The business work and reward in community have played a major role in breaking the chain of transmission of COVID-19. Coronavirus infection followed COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 21 was first discovered in the city Wuhan, China at the end of December 2019. This virus spread very quickly and spread almost all countries, including Indonesia, in just a few months. This question, coronavirus or severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2 is a virus that attacks the respiratory system. The easy onset by this viral infection is called COVID-19. Coronavirus can use mild disorders of the respiratory system, severe lungs infection, disease, and this virus can attack anyone from this elderly or older group, adults, children, and infants to women and mother with feet. Early symptoms of COVID. Early symptoms of coronavirus infection or COVID-19 can resemble flu symptoms, namely flu, runny nose, cold, short nose, and headache. After that, the symptoms might disappear and hurt or even get worse. Patients with COVID-19 with severe symptoms might experience heat fever, cold with phlegm, and even shortness of breath or chest pain. Less common is when the body reacts to the coronavirus. In general, there are the general symptoms that can indicate a person is infected with the coronavirus, namely 1. Fever or body temperature about 38 degrees Celsius. 2. Dry cough. 3. Hard to breathe. There are several other symptoms that can also appear in coronavirus infection, although it is less common, namely 1. Diarrhea, 2. headache, 3. conjunctivitis, 4. Loss of ability to taste, 5. Loss of ability to smell or anosmia, 6. Rash on the skin.
There. Ari Eriko Navarro, please.
How to transmit COVID-19. There are allegations that the coronavirus was originally transmitted from animals to humans. However, it was later discovered that the coronavirus was also transmitted from human to human. A person can get COVID-19 in various ways, namely, accidentally inhaled the droplets of saliva that come out when a person with COVID-19 talks or sneeze. Holding your mouth or nose without washing your hands first after touching an object that has COVID-19 droplets, such as money, doorknobs, or table surface. Having close contact with people with COVID-19 because it is easily transmitted. The coronavirus is also at high risk of infecting medical personnel who treat COVID-19 patients. Therefore, medical personnel and people who are in frequent contact with COVID-19 patients need to use personal protective equipment. SARS-CoV-2 variant. Based on data released by WHO, there are several variants of SARS-CoV-2 that cause COVID-19. The following are the types of these variants. The Alpha variant was first discovered in the Wuhan in September 2020. Beta variant, which was first discovered in South Africa in May 2020. Variant Gamma, which was first discovered in Brazil in November 2020. The Delta variant, which was first discovered in India in October 2020. The Omicron variant was first discovered in several countries in November 2021. COVID diagnosis. To determine whether the patient is infected with the coronavirus, the doctor will ask the patient's symptoms. Doctor will also ask whether the patient lives in an area or has recently traveled to an area that has a large number of COVID-19 cases. As will ask whether the patient was in contact with sufferers or people suspects of being infected with the coronavirus before symptoms appeared. Fourth, to confirm the diagnosis. The doctor will perform the following examination. Rapid test to detect antibody product by the body in fighting the coronavirus. Rapid antigen test to detect antigens, namely proteins that are on the outside of the virus swab test or PCR. Test to detect the coronavirus in the lining of the nose, CT scan or chest X-ray. To detect infiltrates or fluid in the lungs. Complete blood tests to check the level of white blood cells and C-reactive protein. A positive COVID-19 rapid test result most likely indicates that you have indeed been infected with the coronavirus. But it could also mean that you are infected with other germ or virus. On the other hand, a negative COVID-19 rapid test results does not necessarily indicate that you are absolutely free from the coronavirus. COVID-19 treatments.
COVID-19 prevention. COVID-19 treatment. In patients with mild or asymptomatic symptoms, doctor will advise to say isolate at home while still taking steps to prevent of spread of coronavirus infection. Some actions that doctor can take are: 1. Prescribing fever and pain relievers that are safe and in accordance with the patient condition. 2. Encourage patients to self-isolate and get adequate rest. 3. Advise patients to drink lots of water to maintain body fluid level. Meanwhile, in patients with severe symptoms, the doctor will provide a referral to undergo quarantine at a referral hospital. Treatment methods that can be given include: 1. Infusion of fluid to stay hydrated. 2. Installation of a ventilator or breathing apparatus. 3. Administration of drugs such as anti-inflammatory drug and drug to prevent blood. COVID-19 prevention. Vaccination is the best way to prevent COVID-19. However, you also still have to avoid factors that can cause you to be infected with the coronavirus, namely: 1. Implement physical distancing, which is to maintaining a minimum distance of 1 meter from other people. 2. And don't go out the house unless there is a urgent need. 3. Use a mask when doing activities in public places or crowd, including when going shopping for groceries or attending worship and holiday. 4. Regularly wash your hand with water and soap or a hand sanitizer containing at least 60 alcohol, especially after activities outside the home or in public places. 5. Do not touch your eyes, mouth, and nose before washing your hands. 6. Increase endurance by living a healthy lifestyle, such as eating nutri foods, exercising regularity, getting enough rest, and preventing stress. 7. Avoid contact with people with COVID-19, people who are suspect of being positively infected with the coronavirus, or people who are sick with fever, cold, or runny nose. 8. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue. When you cough or sneeze, then throw the tissue in the trash. 9. Keep the environment and home clean, including objects that are often touched. For people suspected of having COVID-19, including suspect and categories. Previously referred to as ODP people under monitoring or PDP patients under surveillance. There are several steps and can be checked or prevent spreading the coronavirus. Other namely, 1. Do self-isolation by staying apart from the other people from a while. If this is not possible, use a bedroom and bathroom that is different from that used by other people. 2. Do not leave the house except to get treatment. 3. Call the hospital to pick you up in your symptoms get worse. 4. Forbid other people to visit you until you are completely healed. 5. As much as possible, do not have meeting with people who are sick. 6. Avoid sharing the use of eating and drink utensils, toiletries, and sleeping equipment with others. 7. Wear masks and gloves when in public or with other people. 8. Use a tissue to cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze. Immediately throw the tissue in trash.
Thank you to Angga Sitepu, Ripaldi Arisman, and Ari Yeriko Navarro for delivering the material.
Okay, thank you very much for the material. Sorry if there are shortcomings. I, as the MC, say thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Tuh.